Good morning. I'm here today to show you how I apply my magnetic lashes. Why? I don't know. It's just in my spirit to show you. I don't know how or the best way to record this because it's kind of difficult with the liner, so bear with me. But I do want to show you how I do my magnetic lashes in the morning. So once I do my face and do my spray, my setting spray, then I line my lashes. I line my lashes at this point because it gives the lash glue time to dry while I do my brows. So stay tuned. Okay, so I have my magnetic liner. Don't worry about my ashy hands. It just means I wash them. I have my mirror over here to try and show you what I do. So what I do, I'm going to see if I can talk, but probably not. I'll do a voiceover. At this point, I put a thin line of the magnetic glue. And I don't go all the way into the corner, and I do not go all the way out to the other side. And I do this a couple of times to make sure that it's thick enough for the lash to adhere to. Okay. Then I go over to the other eye. And I do the same thing. I'm going to do the other eye. Okay, once I do the other eye, I come back. I get some more. And I like for it to be like that, about that much on there. If you can tell, I'll show you the stick before. It's a very thin stick, right? I mean, tip. Then I get some more on there. That's about the thickness. And I line it again. Yeah, see? Yeah, you can see. Okay. Okay, and then I do the same thing on this side. If you notice, I don't come all the way in the corner and I don't do my wing with the magnetic liner. If you notice that. This side's a little thicker, but that's okay. So now, because I be in a hurry, I'm finna do my, don't talk about me. I'm finna do my brows while I wait for my liner to dry. Sometimes when it's drying, when I'm doing my eyebrows, I'm looking down and that goes on there. But I'll clean it off. Now, if you notice, I don't come all the way in and I don't do my wing with the magnetic liner. I go in with my felt tip, my Maybelline Master Precise Liquid Liner and finish those parts up. Dog, you can't see. Oh, well, it's there now. That was easy. Okay, and then maybe you can see me do my wing. I don't know. Okay. And I do the same on the other side. Okay, you see? Then, before I put my lashes on, because I thought I was about to knock them off. I'm putting them on my mirror, so. I just go in and put a light coat of mascara on. And just in case you didn't know, L'Oreal Voluminous D's. Original, this curve thing. These are my favorite. Drugstore eyelashes, mascara, and then Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes mascara. This is my hands down favorite mascara, but I don't buy that on the regular. Okay, so now that we have done put on the liner, put on the mascara just to knock the makeup off, now it's time for the magnetic lashes. And the magnetic lashes, I don't know, you can see, it has the little magnets on there. But anyway, it has a little magnets on there. And then just go and put it on. There you go. Oh, yeah. So you don't want to stick because I'm doing a video today? Is that what we're doing? There. There's one. See how quick that was? And here's the other one. And you got to make sure that there's no leftover mag liner stuff on there from the other day, so it'll adhere better. There you go. Look, there you go, and then it pop up. And there you go. There's my magnetic liner. To me, it's easier than mascara. So, but sometimes I don't. Sometimes I wear. I used to wear them every day, but here lately I just been putting them on when I feel like it. But yeah, and they usually adhere all day. This is probably a better look of the final look of my lashes. My magnetic lashes. I don't know. But that's how I apply my magnetic lashes. Sometimes it's easier for me to do that instead of the mascara, and it's a better look. So never mind my hair. I'm finna wash it. I'm braiding. I don't band it. I just braid it, but I'm gonna wash my hair. I just want to see my lashes, that they still on, and it is whatever o'clock at night. I mean 9 something at night. And show you how I take them off. That. That. There you have it. Thank you for watching. Bye.